You alright guys, welcome back to Springwoods RC. I'm Paul, hope you're all well and doing okay. Well, I've got a little unboxing video, not really sponsored by anybody right now, just bought this out of my own pocket because I wanted. Now, since I started watching YouTube and watching the RCs and falling in love with them all, I spotted this little truck and I fell in love with it. I thought it was absolutely great, and the detail what the guy had done to his little truck, it's fantastic, and I've wanted one since. His name is Sempratis. I think that's how it's spelled. He does quite a few videos. I quite enjoy him, watching him trail around the park, around the docks. It's quite fun to watch. So if you haven't subscribed to him, get over there, subscribe to him. Sempratis, I think that's how it's spelled. If you have a look, swipe across the screen at the top through where it says video or channel and whatnot, you'll find him there in my list. I bet you can't guess what it is, can you? You ready? I am. Been waiting for this for a couple of weeks. And it's here. Not much. MN D90. Let's see. MN model D90 112 scale. 4-wheel drive. Full rock crawl. I'll say I fell in love with Dave's. Love it. Beautiful little truck. What you've done there, Dave. Fantastic. Instructions. Ooh. Now then. You like all this packing. Let's get rid of it. And that feels light and cheap. It is only a cheap little truck, isn't it? Oh, that's not bad. That's steel chassis, aluminium chassis, steel rail. Oh dear. You'll have to excuse me guys, it's been a long day. It must be about 11:30 at night here. I'm absolutely shattered, been working hard. Now this is a lovely little truck, I like it. Feel nice and soft like the canyons. Ooh, it feels quite smooth, tight. Not a lot of play. A tiny little motor, isn't it? See if it works, shall we? Into that battery. You got a bit of life in it. That's me somewhere. Yeah, the inspiration separatists has given me for this truck. Unbelievable. I knew I was getting one, and I've got it before any others. That's on. Where's that switch? Yeah, I know it's under there somewhere. Ooh, got headlights. Oh, quite bright, aren't they, for the cook-up? Don't crash. I've just noticed. Hey, I've just noticed. That's to make it into a pickup. Oh, mint. I think I might have to have mine like that, I think. Drive over it. Don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. Oh. And the steer acceleration's almost proportional. That's proportional. Enough with that. Oh, it's really trying to. Actually, it's yanking and twisting the axle up. Just trying that one. Oh, that's it. I don't think we'll do it with lights on. Could be lights up. Look at that. Oh, you see it lifting that axle. Well, there we have it, guys. I'm quite happy, quite impressed. I'm getting the little bits and bats on. I'll take it out for a spin tomorrow. Go for a little drive. See how she handles. Get that battery charged up. Oi! And we crashed. I knew it was going to happen. I'm going to stop playing now. We'll turn that off. And we don't break it before I get it all built up. And we don't want that to happen. Well, thank you very much, David. I think I've made a right good little choice. Quite like it. Try and make it look something like. Have fun. Should be fun. Fun. Getting on the sausage trail, see how it goes, eh? No, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you didn't, what can I do? Yeah. Oh well, you two all take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye, bye.